so many American products.
You? I will always be in love with you. Always.
It's just hot as a
Yes.
Oh my gosh, Robinson's Galleria. It's been so long, yeah. Woo! There's so many American products here. They even have Chips Ahoy and Hot Wheels. Oh my gosh.
I need American food for my Filipino wife. Make me tacos, and if you can't make me macaroni and cheese, either one, just get me something that's not gulai and rice. I'm so sick of. I know it's specifically of all the foods I'm sick of. It's specifically gulai and rice.
Baby, I haven't eaten that.
Yeah, but when we were in So Good, I ate it every day.
Wait, okay, let's do it.
So lightweight. Making tacos with original seasoning. After we did grocery shopping. Look at that, we got popcorn over here. Yeah. It smells like my old video movies. With the coffee maker we have here, I always get the Silk Cafe. This is taco stuff from scratch because we got taco mix. We couldn't find taco mix, but so we ended up making, we're gonna try to make it from scratch with this chili powder or whatever, the onion sour cream powder and the salt and pepper. So yeah. And there's some leftover coffee, instant coffee, not around the instant coffee that she put inside she reused the eat and spread jar to put instant coffee in. We did that with a lot of jars. We even have a big cashew jar that's empty that we put stuff in. Kindly refer to this. Yeah.
Guys, bumili ako ng merienda. Hinahatian ko kayo gaya ng paghati ko sa kapatid ko. Sa kapatid kong hindi pa pinapangkanan. Mukha pa. Itong hirap sa filo majors eh.
You should stop in a period.
Stop on periods.
I'd kilig with you on steroids, babe. Yeah. What did you say when I said that? When I said I'm kilig on steroids for you?
You're kilig and healthy.
Because steroids are unhealthy. Yeah, but that's not what I meant.
Okay.
Yes, no woman compares to you, babe. I will love you. I will always be in love with you. Always. I'll never stop falling for you, Jem.
I should have bought you flowers, baby, and held your kamai. Should have gave you all my auras when I had the chance. Take you to every party, cause all you wanted to do was sumayaw. Cause now my baby's sumayaw, but she's sumayaw, not a lucky. Although sakit, I'll be the first to say that I was Molly.
Sige na.
I'm going probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistakes, but it's what you I hope he holds you kamai, gives you all of his aura.
Nice cafe. Hold. Hello.
Yeah.
So for the meantime, you're gonna have like that for the later.
But I can also do weddings. I not do wedding videos, but packaging. You can literally put anything small items in there, like a necklace. You can reuse this. It's very resourceful. We're Filipino. Okay. Woo! I keep almost dropping something. This almost fell off. That's the filter. I mean, that's the cup holder, whatever you call it. Oh, we're so legit now. You sexy thing. Oh, you're so sexy. You're almost as hot as my wife. It's true. That's why. Oh my gosh, look at that.
What?
Look at that.
Oh, that's a lot.
It's not done because we made it 6, so it's gonna make 6.
Hello guys. Good morning. So yeah, we are getting ready because we're going to the city.
It's weird because I know we're on camera, so it's hard to be natural.
You're natural. Let me. Oh no, I forgot that.
Is brown lipstick good looking? I don't think I've seen you with it.
Yeah, you've seen it earlier. I wore it.
Did you?
Yeah. So what do you think? Do you remember?
No, I don't. This reminds me of my parents when they recorded me and Gabe growing up.
And?
Yeah, on the video recorder.
And?
I guess it's nice.
Yeah.
So we show our kids this. This
Now
was
the
a
purpose
collective-
of today's plan is to visit. Not visit, but we will meet up with friends and classmates. So classmates from my school, college. You should practice Tagalog na, di ba?
Oh, syempre. Don't talk to me till I'm like
Where's our mirror?
Isn't that great?
Small one. Huh?
Isn't that great that I'm waking up early now? Like I'm getting my body's used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Wait.
I don't know, I just watching you put makeup on. Mark. Fascinating.
Fascinating. But, okay. No changes.
Anak, if you see this video, this is us before we have you. I don't know if we have a boy or a girl, but whoever you are, Anak, thank you for taking the time to watch your parents' vlog. And we just want to say, you listen to your parents. I don't know what they look like right now.
Okay, guys, we gotta go. Bye.